The process for Raymond Engineering included one GD round and one personal interview round. Now the GD round consisted of 10 people per group, and there were 30 students shortlisted from metallurgy and 30 students shortlisted from mechanical. The CGPA criteria was set at 7 CGPA. The first round, the GD round, was taken by 3 panel members. One was the HR member and 2 were the technical heads of their respective divisions. The job profile was manufacturing. What happened was they were given a topic and we were required to deliberate for about 5 minutes, and then the next 5 minutes were given to discuss it out amongst ourselves. Every topic had some sort of a conclusion. Now our topic was whether Arjun Kejriwal should become the next Prime Minister. We were given 5 minutes to jot down our ideas, which we did, and then 5 minutes to discuss it out, amongst which it came out that he should be, but he must have some sort of experience beforehand. He should start at a lower level of the political cycle and then reach up as a dream of becoming the next Prime Minister. And that was perhaps the conclusion that we did give. On that basis, we were asked to then leave and the next group started. Again, there were some groups that took place with different topics and another group was given the same topic as well. So the topics were particularly general knowledge, after which we were shortlisted for the interview round. When my interview took place after I was shortlisted from the GD round, the first question that they asked me was, as a girl, why did you choose mechanical? And I had actually been expecting this question, so my only answer was, why just boys? Even girls can do mechanical. There is no requirement of physical power. We operate on machines and we can operate machines as well. And mechanical is an evergreen branch and it is excellent for placements, so that was also my criteria. Then they asked me if I would be willing to work on the shop floor, being a girl, because the job profile was manufacturing and I was required to supervise the assembly lines. And I said, of course I would be. I knew walking into mechanical that I was required to do shop floor work and I would still be available to do that even if I had to work in ships. Then they asked me if I was happy working in different locations, if I had some sort of location preference. I did have a location preference in mind wherein I wanted to stay within North India, within Hindi or English speaking regions. I did not want to go to the south, so they were like, why not? And I was like, it's high time I settled and had roots instead of going to locations. I did not lie in my interview and made myself available for any location because I did not want to work in those locations. Then they asked me if given an option I would be going for higher studies or staying with the job. So they were particularly looking for a person who fit in their job profile. And I immediately agreed that I had no clue what to do with my life after engineering, so I would be working with them, and if they felt that I needed higher education, accordingly I would work with the company and go for my higher studies, maybe an MBA, since I was going for a shop floor supervision type of job. Alright, then they asked me what are my favorite subjects, because they felt that if a person knew their own favorite subjects, they can learn easily the ones that they want to teach us. They were not specific about whether they wanted materials or some such subject of the sort. So then they asked me my favorite subjects, and I said refrigeration and air conditioning, not pertaining to their job profile at all, as well as product design, which was pertaining to the job profile. And they asked me certain questions from refrigeration, because up until that point, a lot of students had already answered many questions on product design, which was a subject taught to us by our favorite teacher, and fortunately for us, all our branch mates answered the questions perfectly. Refrigeration and air conditioning, the question that they asked was, if we were to open a refrigerator inside a room, would it get colder or hotter, the ambience? I replied, of course it would get hotter, and I think my of course impressed them because they were expecting someone to say colder. And after that, the questions I can barely remember because they were not very technical, they were purely HR. They asked me my family background, and they also asked whether I was willing to work as a team player as well as a team leader, to which I replied that throughout my college years I had been participating in a lot of fests and I was part of teams and I had led teams, so I believe myself capable of working in both positions. And that was the end of our interview, after which they gave us 15-20 minutes of a wait time because I was the last person to give an interview, and the results were declared. Certain tips that I would leave for girls, especially in mechanical: please be open to the idea of working in shifts on the shop floor at remote locations, because you will have to. And at the end of the day, if you're taking core jobs, you will have to. And be open about your hesitations if you have any. Don't hide them, don't lie to the company, never lie to the company. And go for mechanical, opt for mechanical. Also, for Raymond was the first company that came from an outside location. As in, Raymond has always recruited from within Bombay because they're based out of Bombay. This was the first time that they stepped outside to look at students from all over India. So they're looking for quality. Give them good presentation skills, give them good communication skills, and they will go for you. They're not looking for people solely on their educational background. They're looking for people who they can train and mold and fit into the company.